Tulsa's BOK Center opened August 30th, 2008.
$196 million and 3 years in the making.
The arena is managed by SMG, a global facilities management company.
The Eagles will kick off their Long Road Out of Eden tour
at the BOK Center September 6th.
It's been a collaborative process, a long journey, and it's the biggest construction project this city's ever seen.
It's with much excitement that we're here today with the opportunity to tell the citizens of Tulsa that we've taken another great step.
1 year has passed and Tulsa's BOK Center is set to celebrate its 1-year anniversary with rock royalty. Sir Paul McCartney performs August 17th at the BOK Center. McCartney's concert kicks off a month-long celebration of the BOK Center's first anniversary.
The best, man, the best.
Thousands of people made the trek downtown tonight to see Sir Paul McCartney take the stage at the BOK Center.
The first and second rounds of the NCAA basketball tournament will be played at the BOK Center. The Dave Matthews Band is bringing their tour to Tulsa. The Grammy-winning band will play the center October 2nd.
I am very proud to announce that the WNBA will be bringing world-class professional basketball to the city of Tulsa to join the league for its 14th season in 2010.
The BOK Center continues to be Oklahoma's state-of-the-art sports and entertainment venue with nominations both from Pollstar Magazine and the Academy of Country Music for the 2009 Venue of the Year.
Yeah, we are counting down the hours right now.
For the second time in 2 years, Nickelback returns to the BOK Center. The Grammy-nominated band performs songs from their latest album, Dark Horse, to a sold-out venue at the BOK Center.
Eric Clapton's 2010 U.S. tour performed in only 11 cities, and Tulsa was fortunate enough to be on that list. Clapton performed in front of a packed house at the BOK Center on March 2nd.
George Strait and Reba McEntire shattered ticket sale records with a sellout in less than 1 hour. This marks the first time in the BOK Center's history that more than 18,000 tickets were sold for one event.
Brooks and Dunn hit the road in 2010 for their last tour together. The Last Rodeo hit the BOK Center on Memorial Day weekend, May 28th, to a sold-out crowd.
Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers are coming to Tulsa's BOK Center. The Rock and Roll Hall of Famers will headline the second anniversary of the BOK Center on September 23rd.